How to add BuddyPress report button feature for groups. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add report button to BuddyPress groups. With this feature, your members can report any groups on your BuddyPress site. It will make your website keep safe. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress moderation. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Moderation Settings. Scroll down to the Group Settings box, then enable Reports. You also can add more report subjects if you want. And then, you can set up any other things. Like who can report items, who can moderate items, make visitors can report too, and other dozens of features. If you want. Let's see the result. Now members can report groups on your website. Once the report's sent, admin can moderate it from the dashboard. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.